Today's our class is 11th and subject is geology. The topic for class 11th is sedimentary rock shale. As we have already discussed in the previous classes, igneous rocks, granite, diorite, gabbro and basalt. So in sedimentary rocks, we will try to understand to find the properties of these three or four rocks which are in our syllabus. So the first rock, shale. Shale is a sedimentary rock. As you know, sedimentary rocks are formed due to consolidation and cementation of sediments which are deposited under the water. So same is the case for this shale. It is a consolidated clay, silt or mud, and that means silt, mud or clay are to be consolidated. With the result, shale type of sedimentary rock is formed. Shale have so many kinds of rocks in which we can define the shale, or we can say it is in different forms. The sedimentary rock shale vary in color from white through gray to black. It can change its color due to the impurities, or we can say due to the atmospheric changes through gray to black, or due to the water. Bluish gray to greenish gray. It changes its color from bluish gray to greenish gray, or yellow to red brown. Yellow through brown to red. That means brown shales, which are first when we see them, they are yellow. When they change in the color due to the sunlight or due to the water which percolated into this shale through the pores, as shale is a sedimentary rock, it is a porous and permeable rock. In other words, we can say the water enters into the pores. With the result, yellow color changes, goes to brown and then to red. So these shales, or we can say these colors, are usually due to the presence of impurities which are present in this sedimentary rock shale. When sufficient amount of carbonaceous material is present in this shale, then this rock, shale rock, is also known as carbonaceous shale. We can name it as carbonate because there is carbonaceous material present in this rock, in this shale. Or if this shale is a limey, or we can say if there is a clay with lime material, due to, as you know, in the weathering we have read that due to the weathering, different or chemical or different type of physical processes, the material eroded and transported, and after that it is deposited. With the result, clay and with lime at some places together consolidated. With the result that the shale type of rock is sedimentary rock is formed. That type of rock which are with clay and lime are known as marl. That type of shale is known as marl, which contain both clay and lime. When sufficient amount of sandy material is present, then the shale is known as, when there is sandy material, then it is known as sandy shale. So when there is more or less limey material, in other words, when there is almost of the material which is present in the shale is lime, then that type of shale is termed as calcareous shale. That means, in other words, we can say that the shale is completely composed of calcareous material, calcium carbonate material. Shale is a type of sedimentary rock which shows fine grain texture. It means that there are very fine grains. I have already told you that those greens, fine greens are those greens, fine greens which are less than in diameter 1 millimeter in size. Those are known as fine grain material. So this shale has the texture fine grain. That means the grains are very fine. Similarly, the text when we talk of the structure of the structure of the shale is a laminated structure. Laminated when the layers are in a laminated pattern. In other words, we can say there are layers. But the layers of the rock shale does not laminated structure is a type of structure where the layers are less than 1 centimeter. Layer thickness. Layer thickness is less than 1 centimeter. Those type of layers which are less than 1 centimeter are to be termed as a laminated type of structure. That means the structure is laminated. So in this class we have tried that the shade different features or we can say properties, how we can identify a shale on the field or in the lab. इस तरह से हमें पता चलेगा कि जब हम ये मुख्तलिफ चीज़ें शेल के बारे में जानेंगे तब हम पता चलेगा कि कौन सी रॉक क्या है। इस इन प्रॉपर्टीज़ को जानने के बाद हमें ये पता चलेगा ये जो रॉक सेडिमेंट्री रॉक है जिसके मुतल्लिक ये सारी प्रॉपर्टीज फेवर कर रही है उसको हम शेल कहते हैं। कंसोलिडेटेड क्ले होती है सिलिट और मड जिसकी वजह से शेल वजूद में आती है। इसका कलर जो शेल की प्रॉपर्टी है कलर की पहले वाइट होता है और उससे ग्रे से ब्लैक तक चेंज हो जाती है। इसी तरह से ब्लूइश ग्रे से ग्रीनिश ग्रे का कलर देती है। येलो से ब्राउन टू रेड हो जाती है। ये वजह क्या है? ये कलर्स का चेंज जो है ऑल्ट्रेशन ऑफ कलर्स ये रीजन है प्रेजेंस ऑफ इम्प्योरिटीज का। इसमें सुफिशिएंट अमाउंट में अगर कार्बोनेशियस शेल में मौजूद होगा कार्बोनेशियस मटेरियल अगर इस शेल में मौजूद होगा तो उसको हम कार्बोनेशियस शेल कहते हैं। इसी तरह से अगर क्ले और लाइम इकट्ठे मौजूद होगा शेल में तो उसको हम मार्बल टाइप की शेल कहते हैं। इसी तरह जब सफिशिएंट अमाउंट में ज़्यादा तादाद में मोर देन 50% सैंडी मटेरियल हो तो उसको सैंडी शेल कहते हैं हम। और एक चीज़ है जो इसका टेक्सचर है, टेक्सचर इसका फाइन ग्रेन जो मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको बताया छोटे छोटे ज़रात विच आर टू बी ऑब्जर्व्ड अंडर माइक्रोस्कोप। इसी तरह से जो अब हम बात करेंगे स्ट्रक्चर लैमिनेटेड स्ट्रक्चर को हम इस तरह से पहचान लेंगे कि जो लेयर्स की थिकनेस होगी सेडिमेंट्री रॉक में स्पेशली जब हम शेल की बात करें तो लेस देन 1 सेंटीमीटर लैमिनेटेड टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर्स होंगे। दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द सेडिमेंट्री रॉक शेल। So this is almost complete. No, in other words, we can say the properties, or we can say these are the different points by which we can identify a shale.